Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing this look here that I am so crazy over. This look is obviously candy cane inspired. I have this adorable little pink candy cane, and so I wanted to do a look kind of inspired by this. I do just want to say right away, I do not take full-on credit for the candy cane liquid eyeliner there. I know a lot of people do this around the holiday time, so I definitely didn't invent this, but I do really love the kind of cotton candy pink spin I put on it. I think it's a very sweet, sweet holiday makeup, and I'm pretty much crazy about it. I'll definitely link everything down below that I used in case you guys want to check anything out, because I used a ton of products for this look, like a lot of makeup. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. So as you guys saw in the beginning of this video, we're going to be attempting to do something a little more creative today. I just wanted to have fun. I mean, Shaemas has been fun in general. I love having videos up every single day, but today I just wanted to play, just be creative and not worry about it being so wearable. So to start off, I'm going to jump into my Huda Beauty Nude palette. I love this palette. I hate the name Nude. It's like hard to say, so I'm just gonna say the Huda Beauty Nude palette from now on in life. I'm gonna take the shade Tickle with a big old blending brush. This is the E35 brush from Sigma. I do have some baking powder under my eyes to catch any possible fallout, since we're working with a lot of pinks, a lot of bright, possibly staining colors today. So I'm just gonna pop this in the crease and work it in there. You guys, Shaemas is almost over. There's only like 9 days left. Can you believe it? I'm so sad. It really has been so very fun working that fully around the eye and blend it upwards. This is a cute little pink shadow. When I was first deciding to do this video, I was gonna do reds and pinks, and then I was like, no, let's just do like a pink theme. That would be so cute. I painted my nails red this morning thinking it was gonna be like a red candy cane type of look, and then I switched to pink and now I'm mad at my nails. I don't know this color off the top of my head. It's a pretty general red. It's by OPI, I know that much. Isn't that such a cute pink? I really like it. Next, we're gonna be taking the Ooh La La palette by ColourPop. This is a gorgeous little pink palette if you're into pinks. I'm gonna take some of the shade Sandbar. It is a hot, hot pink, honey. I don't want too much of this. I really am gonna try my best not to get too carried away, but I just wanna pop a little bit of that in the crease. So I'm taking my E25 blending brush from Sigma Beauty. Oh my gosh, this pink is getting me so excited. I don't do enough pink looks, I just realized. You guys, this morning I realized my birthday is this Sunday, and I'm totally bummed. This is the first year that I was not at all excited for my birthday. I'm getting to that age where I'm like, oh no, my 30s are coming. They're coming soon. I have another year before I'm 30. Oh my god, that's it? That's not enough! They say 30s are the new 20s, so okay. Alok's turning 30 in March, and he is not doing well with it. And, you know, nothing changes. You're the same person, right? So please don't take offense to this. I think everyone remembers or thinks about when their 20s are over. It's just a funny little thing. But, yeah, I'm not ready for my birthday. Not ready. It's December 23rd. Next, I'm going to pop into the James Charles Morphe palette. Mine has dry shampoo all over it, to be honest. And I'm going to take my E25 brush. Oh, a little blue eyeshadow on that shadow. I'm gonna go into the shade Pinkity Drinkity. I just need to say something about this palette. I've been enjoying it for the most part. I will say, this is just like a slight annoyance. It honestly has nothing to do with the shadow itself. But I was watching James Charles, like, Kim Kardashian video, which was amazing. Super iconic. Super awesome for him that he got to do that. But he was talking about his palette and how he, like, wanted it to be perfect for travel. And I'm like, what? Tell me who on God's green earth thinks this giant palette is perfect for travel. It is so freaking large. God forbid it gets dropped and broken in your suitcase when they're, like, you know, loading your suitcase up. If you're, you know, on a flight or something, your clothes, your everything will have blue, black, red, shadow all over it. This is the least practical palette for travel I've ever heard of in my entire life. He's insane. There's no way he wanted to make it travel friendly. There's just no way. That's my only qualm with the palette. And I didn't even really think about it until I heard him say that in the Kim Kardashian video. And I was like, no, you can't travel with this. This is ginormous. Not to mention you'd be risking staining all of your things. I didn't even tell you what I'm doing. I'm just using Pinkity Drinkity to fade everything out and give us a nice blend, honey. Still in the James Charles palette, I'm going to take some of the shade Flashback. And I just want to pop that underneath our eyebrow as our highlight. I normally don't do a white, like a white highlight shade, but I think because we're doing a fun look and we're doing candy cane and all that, it'll really fit in perfectly. All right, so far so good. I think I want a smidgen of a deeper color. I'm taking my trusted E36 blending brush. This is the brush for all my hooded lid queens out there. We're gonna, sorry, we're gonna take the color Spanked. little case of the giggles. And I'm gonna pop that in that crease. You guys know I love my depth in there. You know that I do. So before I was filming this, actually, like, I'm kind of currently watching it. Every time I kind of stop the camera, because I tend to just do mostly one eye and then I'll do the other eye off camera. I'm watching Tati's My Sister Picks My Makeup video. First of all, I love Tati's sister. I think I love her as much as I love Tati. Anyway, it looks so fun. Like, her sister went into Sephora, I'm sure you've seen it, and like bought all her makeup, and then Tati, you know, tried it on camera. So I was wondering if you guys would like to see that from me and my sister. Would that be fun? I can't remember the last time I had Shannon on my channel. If you didn't know, my sister's name is Shannon. She's a few years younger than me. She's at college right now at Rutgers, and she's killing it. She's also my maid of honor, and I love her so very much. So let me know if that would be fun for you guys. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop with the pink in the crease at this point in time before I get too carried away, as if I didn't already. So now all over the lid, I want to do a bit of a cut crease. I'm gonna go into the concealer in the Huda Beauty Nude palette with my E62 cut crease brush from Sigma. So crazy that there's concealer in this palette. And I'm just gonna cut crease as you do. And we're going to top that with Pinkity Drinkity again from the James Charles palette. Layering that right on top. This is my Sigma Beauty E60 brush. Yeah, this palette is so huge. I have no idea what the hell he's talking about, it being travel friendly. It is not travel friendly. Okay, at this point in time, I'm gonna attempt to be creative, and I'm terrified, just FYI. So I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Paints White Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm going to do a wing liner. I'm not gonna talk through this part because I don't wanna mess it up. So here we go. Okay, I have it generally applied there. This pen is not the best. Luckily, I also have my NYX liquid liner. I'm praying this is not dried out. Oh my god, because I don't even know, like, how long I've... No, it's dried out. What am I gonna do? Shit. Okay, I found another white liquid liner. This one is by Stila. It's in the shade Snow. I'm gonna go back over that line. Oh, this one is much better. Much, much better, right? Now, I'm so upset about this, you guys. I want to add a little liquid lipstick on my eyes. I do not recommend this at home. People do it to kind of achieve more creative looks sometimes. This is an ultra matte lip from ColourPop. It is so old that you can hardly see the ColourPop logo, and there's no sticker on the frickin' bottom. So if I can figure out what this hot pink is, I will link it down below. It's probably gonna take me some time to try to figure it out because it is so freaking old. I have no idea what shade this is. I'm just gonna take a bit on the back of my hand here to work with, and I'm gonna take my little Sigma B12 bent liner brush. I'm so scared for this. I never do these super creative looks. I hope I can pull it off. And I'm basically just gonna stripe it like a candy cane. Excuse me if I don't talk for this part because it's a little tricky. I am trying to do it at an angle, just like a candy cane, how it rotates and swirls. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's something, honey. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera because this is like so hard and it took me so long, and I'll be right back. She's done. She's not perfect on this eye. It got a little funky. This is my good eye, but hey, it can be done apparently. Of course we need some glitter. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter in the shade Catcall, and it is a beautiful pink. I'm gonna drag it along our candy cane liner right on top. I think I'm also gonna take that same pink through the crease. Oh, fun! That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Is this not the cutest little eye you've ever seen? This is the cutest eye I've ever done. I swear to God. I'm gonna let this dry and then we'll be right back. Okay, it's pretty much dried, that little glitter. I think this is so cute. I'm just going to dust away this setting powder really quickly. On my lower lash line, I'm going to take my, this is not what I want. Aha! I'm going to take my Sigma Inner Rim Brightening Pencil. It's sort of like a baby pink nude shade. I don't know if you can even tell. It is my favorite brightening eyeliner in the entire world. And let's just run that on the waterline. We're keeping it cute. We're keeping it fresh. So now jumping back into our Ooh La La palette, I'm going to go into the shade Sandbar again, this hot pink, and I'm just going to smoke out that lower lash line. Let's really blow it out. So work that back and forth. This is my E20 short shader brush from Sigma. And then with a clean blending brush, I want to blow that out. I don't want to add any more shadow. That's why I'm not using that same short shader brush that we were using. I just want to take the shadow that's already there and smoke it back and forth. Oh my god, I look insane. I'm also going to take the shade Poodle and use that to blow it out a little further. Again, this is meant to be a pretty dramatic look. I don't mind getting a little carried away down here. So I'm just blending that all around that hot pink color. So for the lower lashes, I want to use some white mascara just to make this a little more fun. I'm going to take the Sigma Beauty Embellish Lash. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. I was saying Embellish Shae. My goodness. You know when words just look funny sometimes? Maybe that's just me. I don't know. Do you know what word always, like, when I look at it, I'm like, that's not right. Surprise or surprisingly, like anything involving the word surprise, it's like that first R that tricks me. I'll write it and of course it's correct and I'm like, that can't be correct. There's not like two R's like so close to each other. But of course there is, Shae. So just coating my lower lashes in this white mascara. Oh my god, this is so fun. They're like frosted. This brush is amazing. It is so spiky. You can buy it in black. You don't have to have white, but they do have a ton of fun colors. But it separates like you would not believe. How fun is this? We're like frosted. This is so cool. Okay, so now we're gonna pop on some false lashes, which I'm really afraid about because I'm scared I'm going to ruin my eyeliner, and I pray that I don't. I'm gonna be using, oh no, are these too big? I don't know. These are the bold face lashes in the style Show and Tell. I'm gonna pop these on and I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot tell you how hard it was to put my lashes on right now without messing up my freaking eyeliner because I only had black lash glue and I was like, are you kidding me? I don't think I got any on my lash line, fingers crossed, but I was like, of course, I only have black lash glue right now when I'm wearing white eyeliner. What do you guys think of these eyes? Aren't they gorgeous? Let's like, you know, spice them up a bit more. I actually want to take, I think this is what I want to take. Is it too purple? No, I think it'll be perfect. I'm going to take this Nocturnal Super Shock Shadow from ColourPop Cosmetics. I do believe this came in the big Super Shock Shadow Vault, which was one of my craziest live swatching videos to date. I tried like, how many is it? Like 50? Like 50 Super Shock Shadows on my eyeballs? Madness. I'm gonna go ahead and use my little pencil E30 brush from Sigma for this, just because with lashes on, I don't know. I don't want to get it all over the place. And I want to pop that on the inner corner for some extra glam. We need a little more sparkle there. Cute. That's just the perfect little amount of shimmer that I was looking for. First, I'm going to take my Sigma Beauty blush palette. This is iconic. Because we're doing the whole pink theme, we're going to go into the shade Pinkin. It also just happens to be my favorite shade in the whole palette. It is such a beautiful wearable pink. And we can go a little bit heavier on the blush if you want. This is like fun makeup, right? I'm just applying this with my F55 small duo fiber brush. Is that not the cutest pink blush ever? I love a pink cheek. And then for highlighter, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Winter Highlight Palette. And I want to go into the shade Winter Rose. It's a gorgeous little pink tone. I already put a tip on my nose because I was just kind of trying to literally try it out before I put it on too much. And I love that pink sheen. Oh no, I have liquid lipstick all over me. What did I touch? And up the bridge of the nose. I mean, this is just the cutest bright pink. And of course we need that on the cheeks. So okay, maybe this isn't the most wearable look, but it's just so fun. I just wanted to have fun today. Wow, I can't believe how pink this is. This is amazing. And some on the Cupid's bow. I'm also taking some of that with like a smaller shadow brush and going down these little things here. What are these called again? I don't remember. And I'm also going to do a little bit right up here. This is such an interesting texture. It's like drier, but it glows. It's weird. You guys are going to think I'm so silly, but I kind of want a little more highlighter. I'm going to take the Innuendo ColourPop palette and I'm going to go into the shade, should we do Tempo? Yeah, I'm going to do a little of this Tempo one, on Tempo, just to make that pop a little bit more. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Ooh, that is crazy. Let's do a little on the chin too. I love this makeup. Okay, so let's set all this really quickly. I'm going to use my Smashbox primer water. And then for lips, I'm first going to line with the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner. I've had this for so long and I've never used it. This is in the shade Never Petal Down. I love that lip liner. That is so smooth. Then on the lips, I'm going to use my Sigma Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade New Mod. And then in the center of that, I'm going to add a little bit of ColourPop Shimmy. I don't know if this is an ultra matte or an ultra satin again, or even a gloss, because it's so old, it's missing the label. I think it's an ultra matte. And that is it for this look, you guys. Let me know what you think. I love this so much, and this was so much fun. It just felt great to sit down and be a little more creative today and have some fun and just do something different. I don't know if any of you will wear this anywhere, but if you do, send me photos. I'd love to see your recreations of it. I love that it's not the traditional like reds and greens. It's just a fun holiday candy cane look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. All the products that I use will be listed down below. Also, go enter today's giveaway on either Twitter or Instagram. I love you guys so very much, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!